Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I think that cami tops are a must-have wardrobe staple. I recently purchased these from Amilia and I love them. They're really comfortable, but one thing I really wanted was a crop top cami. Now, for me, I do not go walking around in crop tops. I'm not quite that confident. I typically use these as a tank to layer with. And I like that they are cropped because if you have a t-shirt that's a little bit shorter, you don't have to worry about the undershirt showing underneath it. I think that looks sloppy. So I wanted a crop top for that reason. These are also really nice if you have anything that is low cut to make it more modest. So essentially, I use these to raise my neckline or for any shirts that are see-through, maybe that are a little bit droopy in the arm area. But you could absolutely wear these as just a regular crop top, maybe to the gym or out and about. That's just not how I choose to wear them. But either way, they are very comfortable. Now, I typically wear a medium. That's what I ordered. It fits great. So for me, they were true to size. There's also multiple layers to the tank, which really adds to the overall quality. They're very stretchy and fitted, which I also like because they don't roll up where you're having to like yank them down. They just stay exactly where they need to be. So if you're looking for a comfortable, high quality cami, I would highly recommend these from Amilia. And that's my point of view.